So hi, today I'm Rishmi Taya. Today I'm going to talk about art is essential to life. So yeah, art is usually like surrounded by everywhere, literally in every location, and it's a huge part of our culture. It shapes of our ideas, provide us as like a deepest emotion, understanding, and self-awareness. Okay, many people to fail to realize how art impacts their daily life. Okay, everyone uses art and daily it's like as a continuous basis life. Actually, the majority doesn't know how much of a role art plays in their daily lives, and just how much we rely on it, on art actually. Okay, so why is it important, like why is it art is important to our daily lives? Because we are surrounded by art. Without it, the human race will not be as you know it. Actually, like there will be a lot of problems will come. So art is one of the main component for everyone, literally main component for everyone. Without art is nothing. It's like that. So it's example art in your home, like how in my house. Example like art means like it's a simple thing. It's a painting. It can be a painting. It can be a frame photograph. It can be a design, something like a design that you guys did, something like this. My God, something like this. The painting there. Okay, so something like it's not only based on the it's normally usually people will think decoration art, like how to explain it. Normally they will see as a decoration, but it's a art. Okay, from our from yeah, it's all everyone's mindset, it's a decoration, but actually it's a considered as a art. So it's like purely it's a art. So that's what we call like um how to say, like everywhere is art, so there is nothing without art. Okay, example another example we can take art and music, like same as art. Okay, it's like a universal language. It's importance to something like to our daily life is art. Without okay, whenever whenever we travel, um doing something, of course we listening to the songs or whatsoever, but it's like songs is like literally changed people's mood. It can make people joyful. It's like the mood suddenly can change. That's the called art for music. So it's like example we can take radio, television, which you guys can change which it can change people's mood immediately. So it's like a boost for everyone, for boost motivation and determination. It's like literally, so it's a music and art. It's like literally a good thing for everyone. Okay, and finally, like okay, art is like everywhere, influencing us on a daily basis, whether we realize it or not. And this is like it's a main reason importance, like it's like a fulfill our basic needs. Without arts we cannot fulfill our basic needs. Okay, so um arts like can make a community more beautiful, but and then it also makes the places we visit and spend time. It's like it as everything is art, literally everything is art. So that's why like normally usually people don't know what is art. So that's what like I'm explaining about. Everything is art, literally everything is art. Painting or doing something, doing a simple something like making a decoration, it's called art. It's everything is art. So that's why like as well as like people in the present build better and more complete life, which is art. So yeah, that's all. Thank you.